Hey, what's up guys? This is Loma and I'm back with another alt potato episode. I'm sure you guys are gonna like the alts that I talk about today. Before we get started, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel to stay updated on future videos. With that out of the way, let's just get started. Alright, first coin up is Meta. I'm using the Poloniex chart just because it has more price action. With that being said, there's very little price action. So we're not using the 1 day for anything except marking out the listing. Okay. And then I'm gonna hop to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, boom, okay. Support. Now 1 hour. This is where the magic happens for us. Okay. So 1 hour, you'll see that this was the support that we highlighted. You'll see that this was the listing candle. All right, I'm looking for a long anywhere around here, okay, with targets being way fucking higher, okay? And the reason for this is because there's not really a great area to get a stop loss in, right? So I would look to average my position through here, and then if we flip this area, right? So if we flip this area, I could add more here, but I'm looking to average in around this $5, maybe $4.95, $4.90 area. Okay, if it goes all the way down to $4.70, I'll pick some up. Anywhere below $4, and this is a no-go. Okay, so again, average your entries here. It's a very illiquid coin, which means the order books are probably very thin. A small amount of money can shift the books drastically. So there you have it. Alright, next coin is Swipe, and I've been trading Swipe for the last week or two, so I'm pretty familiar with the scammy price action. We're looking at the 1 day chart here, so not much price action to work with, but I'm just gonna highlight the support block. Okay, now to the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, you'll see that this block was already highlighted off the daily. I'm looking for a potential sweep of this area right here, and it looks like it's literally doing that as we TA it. So analysis currently pretty on point. I'm gonna mark the top of this wick right here. You'll see that price broke down, bearish retest, and dumped. So I'm looking to go long actually right here, and I'm targeting that high, okay, with the stop under this wick. Okay, so this is my setup for it. I would look to go long here. I would add all the way to 150 or so, targeting $2. And when I say targeting $2, it doesn't have to exactly be $2. It can be $1.95, $1.96. Figure out within what range, probably somewhere in here, right? Boom. So that's how I play Swipe. Last up is a crowd favorite, Tezos. So Tezos, I'll be looking at the 3 day chart. On the 3 day, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the most obvious trend line that I see right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mark out the resistance. So I feel like this order block right here has been acting as resistance for the last year, pretty much, right? So you'll see here, touch, a lot of touches, and a rejection, right? So I think price is most likely gonna melt down to here. Okay, so around this 260, 250 area is where I'd be interested in entering Tezos, and that is also confluent with this little SR flip right here. Okay, so let me extend it a little bit. There we go. See this? Rejected, flipped as support, pumps, support, pumps. I do think we're gonna go here, and I'm gonna have stink bids. Stink bids are just lowball bids right here. Okay, so number go down. Pray that we get a wick into the 225 area. That would be a for sure long right here. Okay, even if it's a short-term long, this is a nice area that I think price would respond at. So the setup would look something like, with a stop loss probably below this wick, something like that. Okay, and that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys again for watching. If you have any alts that you're interested in, let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.